because angifuni ukubulawa umshado ngoba kuthiwa ngoba phela ngithi nakhona amakhulunywa mhlawumbe sekuhlangene nomama nana hayi ungamncengi bayabheda laba yabo it's always the us and them type of a situation mina ngimina la sizodlala nawe uyazi ukuthi noma ngagosa but mina ngithanda ukudlala because thina abantu abamnyama sikwenza kube ngazi ukuthi iphuthu ukudlala we don't have to have fun like right now ngiyi podcast o 7 mhlambe kushaw 8 I'm having fun angizili uzoganga la edrobheni I'm just having fun I live in microphone I love cameras ngiyathanda ukudlala ngenkothe and I'm just having fun so mase ngibuyela kwi structure sekuthiwa hey siyalala manje bengiboza ngo blanket but I had fun there you go
Welcome to the Ins Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Purple Shepherd, Mashile. It's that time again. Says Buile. Another episode. Danke Machite ng Hamieta. Amanolo va moja.
Cast. Awona thina shuthi uyazi kulesithatha amajita. Asiligeju sokanje lona esilithandayo igama andile. Wakangcobo esimahashule uShulex mangabe senot. Niyazi asambi ke sothi bakhona olova bazoyichaza ukuthi bahleli kanjani njengokuhlukana kwabo yizo.
November.
yes
Jack Kalala in the building, first of his name, second to none, king to the wise to the king, and we are back. Danko.
Thank you, Sideki.
Thank you much.
Thank you, Zach.
Thank you.
Thank you, Putena Kunja.
Uba manje
Manje nabakhuluma. Yathi ngicwele today. That is my name.
ayisifika kakhulu imashe kakhulu.
Masha. Fire nanindagaze.
Exe. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Uthedi Wakanzama, also known as Uthedi We Coffee.
No punches.
Danko.
Amkhwayo. Usimalanga. Hey, introduce. Ngahle. Danke Machite. Oh,
Nami ngithole sengimemeke Machite. Ake ngithi welcome back. It's Angel Njela here, guest Emachiteni. Tony Danke Machite. Man, clock it.
Clock is Japir.
Sanibonani uthobeka kanjani nje. Sithi Danke Machiteni.
Thanking myself. Welcome to the East Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Kamukanyiso Nqome, co-host Mashe kakhulu namhlanje. Danke Shapiri, danke Machite. Danke Tana Satosh. Mashe kakhulu nansenzivile. Siphethe nogela. Yangiwa ke today. Mashe. Anyway, uyazi Dubane siphethe irazo namhlanje aseThekwini. Yabona umuntu waseThekwini ungayazi le razo angazi ukuthi uphila phi. Enye yamarazo siphethe uMr Simo Zama. Welcome to this podcast, sir.
no imashile
Khamba.
sure danke Machiteni danke nakumasesteri
Show.
hayi mnandi balance into yakhona
Uyaphila mfowethu.
phela njengosheni
Finally ufikile Martin.
lalela
Uzizwa njani?
phezi ngiwom
Hayi,
sepelikanti in
much. Except before the fame and the title, who is Simo umuntu ongazi mfethu. First time ekubona la eMachiteni ubani uSimo Nzama.
Alright, uSimo Wakanzama, all the way from Iscomplazi, Clermont, 3602
Parama.
Yeah, I'm
Aki Claymont. Parama
Iscomplazi. Damn. Yeah, but originally from Maritzburg, yabo.
Sure.
But ke umuntu wafika la encane mhlambe na 3 months and la ngibamba ke itheki la ngigunya just like that but nje ngiscomplazi ngidubane. Yeah, siyaxakazisa la sikhahlela icapha.
Ithini impilo eScomplaza ukhula kanjani lapha?
No kuyaphileka mfethu. I won't lie to you. Mhlambe like nje ngifika eScomplazi mhlambe ngino 8 if I'm not mistaken, yeah. First 7 years bengisemaja yabo.
Sure.
Just lento ukuthi mhlambe uyakhula nangu ugogo usebenza emajaldini bese kuthatha njengomZulu uqala kulagaxa emhlane.
Sure.
So ngikhule ngawo lokho nama Kellogg's no cheese nani.
Awe.
Suka ugogo wavuna qu umlungu kagogo wasewahamba wela eOrkant eCanada. Wasithengela kumhlaba lapha eClermont Extension. Sahlala ngale na ke so uyayibona iculture shock sesibuyela ngala suka ngala kuma Kellogg's. Siya ngala kumfudumezo Skomplaza abanga. Sure baba. Enye into.
So how was it like, the whole shift in you? Yokusuka ngapha udla ama-Kellogg's manje ubuyela kumfudu
Baba. Enye into mfethu angifuni uqambela manga yabo. Like nje first few years vele bo BMX sibhukuda nabelungu akumlunga kabuthusi. Uyabona ngisho ethi swimming costume yabo hayi nomlungu so what yabo. Then shwi masufika ngala elokishini afika kunama tear gas rubber bullets yabo lesikhathi udlameluze kabi yabo. So manje kade ubona umlungu eswima masuza ngala elokishini usubona udakhe modeliswa uyawazi model ever
Therapy.
lalela awuma ngabe kukhona ighosto yenzile umphakathi masukudiscipline ugqokisa isude salesele umasha naye lokho njalo yehlenye
Uziyobamba isixobo lapha.
mfethu yonke ke lonto ke trauma lonto
Sure.
but ke we have to deal with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And manje do you have siblings or move nabo noma wena nje olethi?
No, sasamuva sonke mfethu. We do have siblings and stuff like that. And
Yeah.
family sikhulile. Sekhona ngisho yabona.
Yeah.
Springs and from Menze, Mtosofty and then. So nje mfethu yakhulekile lokishini mfethu umuntu uhleli khona. Nento zakhona kodwa ke sibonga lokho mfethu ukuthi umuntu ukhona eSkomplaza kuyaphileka.
Keleze kuphi khona Skomplaza noma?
Unyaka wokuqala kwakuyiseMaritzburg but kwase kwabe kwathiwa Dubane.
Sure.
So my second year, second year, yabo standard 1, 2, 3 and kanjalo Claremont and. So into yami mfethu nje ingala ko Douglas ngoba ngifunde kulezi igele lezi ko Zakhele, oyitshelihle Zakhele, fast forward sithengile, mangiqeda ngathi mangosuthu, uyabo. So ayikho into enobumalti, uyayibona ngishoyo. Kodwa sibonga lokho ke mfethu ukuthi mafunda lento ayifunda siphila ngayo.
So what do you do eMangosuthu?
Mangizothi ngangenza public administration and management yabo.
Nice.
Uyayibona futhi ukuthi umuntu uphume esithengile ivale eMangosuthu. Mangiqeda eMangosuthu sengibona ngisebenza ethala. Hayi into enesingisi binqaba mfethu nami ngangifisa ukusebenza mhlambe ko Nedbank.
Manje ungena kanjani eThailand?
No mfethu nje umuntu usho udwadla ngazi into zoma interviews nanali khona ibranch yangenzele eGents yangibona wangithanda then wangirefika komunye umlungu wayekade nenye academy eyayishape abantu for ama interviews because mangabe kade ufunda no Daki enye ama challenges yokuthi ufundile ubufundisa isingisi ngesizulu uyabona ngisho then fast forward mase kufanele usha interviews. Alright.
Funda kanjani isingisi ngesizulu?
Akufani mfethu nabantu ade begeleza isingisi ngesingisi yabo uyabezwa ngisho bekhuluma ukuthi ekuse igonka le umuza umuntu egijima ngo nevertheless however therefore mawudakhe alela mfethu khona amagama esingisi engizo sengimdala yabo engazange sikhulume ngawo esikoleni lapha wawufundela ukuphila unikezwa lesi singisi esilingene nawe esiqondene nawe ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi mawuphuma la ufuna ukuthenga ibhaba noma uvinja amaphoyisa ukwazi ukuphendula lonto but le nje ukuthi in the middle of nowhere no basically ubamba emgaqweni obusuhlane ngane lezi ezikhuluma isingisi ayinala ku Starbucks inesingisi la Starbucks ongakaza afika eStarbucks kuyafunana ukuthi uvive ngegama lelilodwa ozofika ngalo uphuma ukwazi ukunqamula otherwise
Sure, man. No, that's so helpful, bro. So now, Spanish for how long at time?
Ethala I was only there for like 11 years.
Sure, that's a long time, man.
Yeah, that's a long time, bro. Yeah.
Wenzani khona lapha?
Ngumjito oyiships yabo osebenza njengomuntu housing advisor yabo.
Yeah.
So mfethu umjito nje ogqoka long sleeve inkinophe la phezulu yabo.
Sure.
Umuntu uqondile but safika isilwane sangikhipha ngewind. Ngacaca ukuthi ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngifake uthayi. Yabona ngisho yabo mase ifikile lento yasifikela lesibambe sonke bonke abantu abala ngibona my tribe abantu abagulayo bonke laba yabo sinokugula kodwa kwafika ukugula kwavela wathatha uthayi kokhipha ngewindi ngasala
Like, can you take us back on that day where you decided to say, they cooperate ngiyashiya? What happened?
Mfethu there's a lot mfethu ebiyenzeka bro wami like for instance yabo njengoba ngisebenza la ngishawa into ukuthi mina ngi-flexible kade ngimlalele la manikhuluma indlela enihleka ngakhona abantu aba-free spirited like
Yeah.
kaka ngeke uhleke kanje ebhenki ngeke ungafa fee kwi-corporate kuzofika imanager ikutshela ukuthi stop it please turn it down you can't yebo keep it
Sure.
futhi ngithethisela ukuhleka ngithethisela ukuthi I just wanna be free and kwakuyimpawu zokuqala lezo yabo.
Sure.
Then secondly ngibona izinto ezenzakala eminyango mina ngivalelekela ngaphakathi yabo ngisebenza ebhenki kwakhiwa iMoses Mabhida ngiyayibona iMoses Mabhida iyagrowa yabo and I'm like okay fine so mina nginalo ilungelo lokusuka ngala ngiyobuza ukuthi nakhani what's in for me because manje mina njengoba kwakhiwa iMoses Mabhida ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe mangase ngifike noSimende noma u20 ngi-add emakhaya mhlambe ngaba grand manje ngeke utshele manager ukuthi usubona ithuba ngoba mawusebenza la usebenza khona kufanele kubavezele umqondo ukuthi usuyabona ulawo irobot iroutine same old stuff makwaveza ukuthi usuyabona bona uzoxoshwa kuzothi i-conflict of interest so kala nje kokhiwa Mabhida kwangididisa completely uyabo nezinye izinto ke nje mfethu uyabo ukuthi ishiyala it's all good kumnandi kodwa I'm not free
Yeah.
yabona ngisho like mhlambe la mangabe ukuthi kune meeting siyakhuluma ebhenki it's all good yabo kucatshwa ngento eyi-campaign noma i-activation kufanele sami sobheka abantu sibagcwalisise ukuze babe nama-bank account mangilalela kwi-meeting ngizwa sengazi ukuthi kufanele thina siye la khona la kudliwa khona inyama yabo Chester right across ngoba khona la bengisebenza khona la ngase Game City yabo njalo makuthiwa kuyokwenziwa i-activation kuyawa lapha la kushiswa khona inyama la kudliwa khona amanoni yabo
Bola for Chester.
mina ngiyajumpa ngimnekise lalela ngiyayizwa leya ngala but ngala ngemuva khona iFlorida senini ngala kuFlorida hayi kuthi hayi no don't lalela la kune Cubana khona abantu abaphethe isobho la ngempela bona bafuna ukuya lapha emanonini ngiyaqala inqondo yatwisteka yabo phinde futhi ngisuggest iground selakhiwe seliyavuthwa iground ngimnekise njengoba iground seli kanjena kunama games akhona indaba singagqoki ikipa ezineat mhlambe sifaka ama-barrets sihlale ngendlela ethizeni ukuthi mangabe kwenzeka kudlalwa ibhola kukorwa igoli sisukume sonke ngoba mina ngibona ikhamera ngithi advertising yabiza so mina ngibona ithuba hayi abayizwa lonto ukuthi siyaphi eMabhida ngabo shuthi mina osekhula ngibadedele then I had to ship off just like that.
Manje iqhamungaphi le nqondo kubona ukuthi kuse indaba yamanoni it's not our thing. Why can't we just brand ourselves and attract a certain caliber of people abahlala kuFlorida?
Yeah, mfethu, I think it's the conditioning yabo. So Douglas mfethu and i-thinking yethu excuse my French so dark njalo i-thinking yethu ihlezi ne-ceiling yabo. Fanele ukucabanga ugcine la make wacabanga wadliwa la uyagula usuyinkinga or usuyi-threat uyi-ghost ucabanga indlela different mawudaki fanele sikwamukele konke sinikezwa inoni yonke into yabo inyama ngazi njani but mfethu khona isiteki nezinye izinto ey'khona ngala khona abantu abashaya urish ngala aba-grand but we can't go there I don't know for what good reason so ingqondo yami ayisicabanga ukuthi no I'm not normal I'm so not normal yabo mhlawumbe ukugula I don't know but I can't think normal yabo yeah
More barely conditioning fit like njengoba ukukhulele esikomplaza now njengoba ukhulile what do you think kahle you can fix in order for abantu ukuthi baphume kule conditioning right now?
Hey mfethu there's a lot bro I think into yokuqala nje ngifisa ngathi ngaba khona umbhobho ongaba khona ongamemeza ngawo lokusho ukuthi hey catch a wake up yebo le show hey mfethu yeah ngathi ngamemeza angithi odaki mfethu yabo odaki into abayilindile mfethu
Sure.
asebetshele wena kakhulu odaki balindele icilongo nokuvuleka kwamafu nomuntu ozoqhamuka la balinde icilongo kuphela abafune linye ngathi yabo odaki ngathi ungabafakela ibillboard enkulu ezobajet nyakazisa ingqondo ngiba flexible yabo si inet sibanjwe inet yabona same old stuff yabo but yeah mfethu ikhona into engenzeka ngoba and ake ngithi nabafethu in as much as ilokishi lento eliyiyona mfethu but there's an opportunity simply because there are people who are residing Komhlanga Rocks and who are driving like big cars, Ferraris. They are making like a killing, like serious money simply because of these numbers.
Yeah.
Ukuhlala elokishini thothi uhleli mhlambe ibhano elibona lithi zizizizi suke mhlambe i-track kubheka umuntu ontshontsha imoto. Likhona linye ibhano eke lihambe nje ukuthi sishap lapha. Probably kunama millionaires ahleli lapha phezulu adiscussa ngempilo yenu ukuthi you see these people, look at the numbers, you see the movements, siyofesa. Hleze sikhuphuka yonke into esicabanga sodaki i-CV kuphela uTaki uma wakhuluma nawe indaba siyeke sive sikhulume ngeprofile akadlala yabo ngisho so mfethu nabantu abasibuka kanje aba rich bakhu Vaseline abakhela thina angazi noma bona bawugcobana uVaseline you understand labantu futhi basakhele Aromat basakhele Cube Norox nani I'm not sure ngiyangena ko Woolworths ngithi ukucheck ukuthi ikhona Aromat la likhona iqhuzu le Norox fuck all badlu rich thina basakhele into abasakhela yona ezosicisha you understand so uNtswempe lokushini bra wami Ntswempe kodwa so wina mfethu mina ngiyafisa ukuthi ngithi bafethu I understand ukuthi hey kuyilento kuyiyona but let's give more love asilithande nilokishi ngoba yikho into mfethu esokwazi mhlawumbe singakwazi ukuyiguqula you understand yeah singahlala komhlanga kobani vele labantu balokhile yabo nje basila Morningside mhlawumbe 90 something % of Morningside is being owned by the other race true you understand so penetrate nokuyibhoboza bayasibuka nje siphetlisha ukuthi shame so into esingayifix ileyana
shame.
you understand this is me thinking about ukuthi into esingayifix ileyana yeah yona istarks mfethu ngixolela isitariano ilanguage yaselokhuzane kodwa nje into esingakwazi ukuyifixa ileyana ukuthi if ethi kumoshakele indlela kuyiyona bra wami yazi mfethu elokushini ukuthula ubuke mfethu okay konke ngiyibuke nje bra mhlawumbe ngibuke even a simple thing as into esigqokayo yabo
Sure.
uyibona mfethu ingoba egqoka amantombazane ensukwini elokushini khona ingoba mfethu angaze ngathi ama-boob tube ekhipha yonke into ekhipha ipika ekhipha imonza yonke into mhlawumbe zo 80 rand yabo ze wadidisa ama-bras yabo and I'm thinking ukuthi bobani laba bahlela basidecide-elayo ukuthi sogqoka ini probably it's another race ethi laba sobakhandela ingubo ezuwukuthi ezo 80 rand bazoyithenga mase beyigqokile vele ama-bras awekho sober ayashaya intashi amanye ashaya inganjazi uyacabanga ubuka umuntu esifazane egqoke la mpahla kuvela ilokhuzane ishanofu nani so shuthi odaki into ezokwenzeka bagqoka lezi ngubo mass production yakhiwe abanye abantu thina sazi ukuthi ubani umastermind walezi ngubo laba amajijo beshaya inganjazi nawo ashawa ama-adverts njalo hlezi ubuke ifethi isiphuzo in faka into sniffer and iyashintsha le ngubo kuba ne-magnifying glass ubuka imonza ngenye indlela shuthi into ezokwenzeka thina odaki sijahana udaki Mjita ujaha ithekeni into ayifunayo ijumbule finish and clear bese mase kube nejumbuli ukuthi kuyajahwana yeah excuse my French yeah nje like fethu it's all about sex okay kuyajahwana emini in between abantu abasebenzi into abayenzayo iyona lento abayenzayo yabona ngisho mase benzile kuqhamuka ingane fast yabo bese ubona into ebhlungu mfethu angazi noma nake nayibona mhlawumbe ingane intombazane kade yodeliver ingane eKing Edward ngesikhathi kade eKing Edward bekade egqoke le ngubo le kade ngisho ekhipha ishave yabo but mase sibuye eKing Edward liyangu bathi igqokile tight isiwabli I see because angithi ubuye wa expand usisi nani ubuya nale ngubo uyayibona ipoverty ubuka idawa ayigqokile lo sisi mhlawumbe no blanket uphethe ingane umjita uqhuntsule lengane akekho so lengane le nje obeyiphethe gudla nayo taxi rank umjita kasahlanganisa ngisho Uber ukuthi kulandwe ingane ukuze ingane mhlawumbe landing ibe safe so yonke into mfethu ehlelwe ngathi elokishini mfethu isixaxi akukho sharp and I don't know where to go mhlawumbe siyobika ukuthi ekuse akukho right lapha yana and into engiphatha kabuhlungu elokishi mfethu lento ukuthi yabo eParliament kune wing la uthola ukuthi ikhona iportfolio ka rural development bani Minister of Rural Development
Sure.
but akekho Minister of Township Development but ijangela le ndawo esikuyona le ndawo ngendlela enganakekile ngakhona ibhlungu ngalendlela ukuthi mfethu we are not going anywhere we are backsliding njengoba ngithi ijumbule asisebenzi up and down same old stuff and therefore mangabe umuntu ozama ukucabanga differently uyisitha uyogcina ngeke lokusho xhuma ama-camera kanje uhlale kanje uhlale nezingane ezifresh kanje ighost abayitshela abamaswidi la ama-denon labo yikho lento soft laba inibuka ama-tattoo in wala this and bukini wala iganyiwe in ighost lapho into eyodwa yabo
kodwa wena Shapiri bakhomba lo sekamereni
yayibona
ingane isoft
Sure. Sure. So you think it's structural and the poverty upon
Makarameli, you know.
I know that it's by design, bro. Yabo mfethu into ye-apartheid and the way in which the township was so designed. to the so-called Abo Verwoerd, they applied their minds. They went all over to other countries to study how to create, how to to engineer this thing called apartheid and so land to indlela design ngakhona. But we ended up not having enough time to I don't know mhlawumbe kuyiqaqa lento ayiqaqwanga injalo ilokishi liseyilento elaliyiyona mfethu limahluntu just like that mhlawumbe ngasikhohlisa ke ngoba sekufakwe indawo ezithizeni zokushibiza yabo ilokishi nje mfethu into eyaziwa ngalo fanele ngisho kuthiwa mhlawumbe uyopropose indaba yebusiness uthi uyala koSida nobani make wathi ufuna ukwakha i-lounge noma ishisanyama bakuncanywa kakhulu bakuphuthuma
Sure.
kodwa mangabe uthi ufuna ukwenza into different from ishisanyama noma i-lounge hayi mfethu bazokushaya ngophaqe ngoba thina siwu one band fanele siqhubeke sidle inyama esingayazi ukuthi lenyama eyakuphi eyakumapha amaplazi no Van Koper no Van Tonder sidle inyama yabanye abantu asidle inyama yakangcobo noma inyama yakabanibani yabona ngisho same old system kuthiwa i-democracy but just above context we-capitalism sizodla into zabanye abantu so mfethu le nto mfethu i-structured ngale ndlela ukuthi asikaze siyiqaqe ngeke sikwazi ukuyiqaqa and it's unfortunate ukuthi we do have abantu bakithi abawodaki the learned people yabo the so-called parliamentaries and so forth who've been to other places like your Dubai and so forth. They've been there numerous times. When they go there, they come back with their bags, your Louis Vuittons and stuff like that, which is all good. But I'm worried with why our people are not coming back with the formula.
Sure.
Simply because when you go to Dubai, fanele ukwazi ukuthi this was just a desert.
Sure.
Yabona ngisho this was just a barren land. And labantu bahlala phansi ba decide ukuthi we are converting the desert into something a monumental ezolanda imali. Yini abantu bethi abantu abade be Dubai bangabuyi nomqondo kulungisa ilokishi because ilokishi ugwadula.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You mentioned indaba ama-out la ukuthi amarazo iwona abayinkinga kakhulu emalokishini. You talk about ingane encane esuke yamithiswa irazo ngenxa yokubona ingubo. So what do you think the state of a black man right now in malokishini?
Same old stuff, bro. We're not doing anything. We're not creating anything. Yabo. I've heard people talking about, I hope I'm not hitting a detour or what, yabo. I've heard people talking about your township economy, this and that. There's nothing of that nature, bro. Koluto. Yabo, the township economy is measured according to how we consume izinto. Asenzi fuck all. Lokishini sihlule ukukhanda a simple thing as i-under. What is so special about the under mawuyibuka kanje? Ayikho difficult but asikwazi ukukhanda i-under noma i-boxer shorts. Asenzi lutho mfethu thina okwethu ukugijimisana inqawe and finish and cry silele mfethu akuphumi lutho endokubona. Yabona ngisho. Yeah, futhi and it's not all about amajita kuphela. Sure, or in namathekeni mfethu same old stuff. Ngisho i-rings ulale abantu beqoqo uyaze kusakholutho la mfethu yabo. Ngeke uze ungitshele mfethu amajita singahlala siphuze siqede i-cooler box singaphumanga ne-idea. Hayi ku wrong iqeda kanjani mfethu i-cooler box singaphumanga i-idea. Look at what is happening in this room. I'm happy ukuthi abantu ngeke baze babonda bangale. I-team leni, i-tech team, it's a Wu-Tang Clan type of kuyasetshenzwa mfethu. We need this type of a setup again. Ukuthi abantu mabehlangene mfethu ngcono mangabe sikuthi i-idea yikho asihlukaneni.
Sure.
Singahlali if sikhuluma into engekho ukuthi kuseyibole sister mfethu yazi la ngifuna ukuncukula idonse yazi mfethu mangase ngithi lo muntu eyulahlile uyayitshela yabo makwathi uyayitshela kusuka ubulewe futhi noma kwabelieve ukuthi uyayitshela. But there's nothing wrong about ukuyitshela. Fanele uyitshele mfethu yonke lento it's all about the inside out. Masuzozwa ngomunye umuntu imashini.
There's something you said that don't. So you said township economy is measured by consumption.
Yeah.
I want you to double tap on that because I think it went over people's heads. When they keep talking about the township economy, they're measuring how people are spending, not what we're producing.
Yeah.
And I think that's a very valid point to make.
Yeah, but it's a sad reality, and I can always try to break it down or to bring it much more closer. Yabo like ngizokwenza example mhlambe njengasemlazi.
Sure.
Yabo. Khona indawo ekuthiwa ka-Boot Max, which is all good. Glitz and glam, beautiful and stuff like that. Khona Max, khona iyadi on the other side. Then on the other side of the road, izindlu zilento ezaziyona even before kufike this building yaka Max. You understand? If government would be serious about economic development, now I would simply say that government would find afake imali laphana size labantu aba-across ukuthi bakwazi ukucreate indawo zokulala. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, mfethu, because yazi mfethu elokishini ikhona i-potential but i-problem ukuthi asiboni. Yabo, if abantu bebeney'ndawo zokulala right across, I think we would be able to sell even an experience yokulala elokishini.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
So do you think Ilokish is it's sellable though?
It can. We we are like we can sell even ice to the Eskimos. Do you understand? Lokish mfethu enye indawo mfethu masikhuluma nje mfethu ngama-strengths akhona. Okay, ngizobuya ngize la. Yabo, for the mere fact that we are in the space of a democracy and a whole lot of things ezenzakalayo, it's the township that added so much pressure for ukuthi kuthiwa hayi bathi abelungisa idede land banikezeli lento. Yabo ngisho the 1976 whatever like lento ekade yenzeka Soweto, your Sharpeville massacre, all of those things were adding a pressure to government wabelungu ukuthi hayi lento bayidedela. Do you understand? So unfortunately we don't have a system. Utaka akanayo system.
Hey, but namsen kazel kuyonda ba 1976 le manje yutenza.
Shame kuba igruvela amapiano fena TikTok. Fethu ayikho lamuntu abazoyenza futhi yonto abanikeza yona ngithi sonke it's great content sifuna inyoka.
Sure.
But siyageja because masihlela sikhuluma ukuthi masudansile wathola ama likes, then what happens?
Sure.
We don't have those questions. We don't have those type of conversations. And abanye abantu they are okay when you are not discussing such. Yabo, not so long ago, I'll just make an example. Ngena nje into a few other departments ngithi ngizama ukucela ukuthi could you please sponsor us? We want to create like a platform where we can discuss AI.
Sure.
Do you understand? Because everyone is talking about AI. I'm like, I want us to create this thing like in our backyard. Mfethu. Mfethu. Abantu kade ngikhuluma nabantu abakhelezile abawushap. Bathi nje uphuma kuphi eClermont, but we ubugebengu baphuma kumina. So yonke into ediscussa fa discuss le ICC. I-AI izo affect aba thina because lento iyasho ukuthi 50% of the jobs we have are going to be automated. No one cares about the ghetto. Noma ungazama mfethu ukuthi ukhuluma in awusekho relevant. Like ukhumbula abantu abaningi abasebenza kuma departments go government nani abasahlala elokishini. 95% awusekho. So ungathi akhuluma ukuthi township bavane bakushaye ngenye into udeviate bakutshele ngendaba ye-rural bani yabo. Bayasaba ukuze lokishini balithanda i-rural ngoba bazi lapha nayi vele kunemfula ushobishobi nani. Ngala ishubila kusiniswa amahleze lokishini.
But so usiyi-percent club so abanye most baphuma kuwona malokishi.
Okay, it's same thing le kade ngikhuluma earlier on conditioning. Abantu abaningi mfethu, excuse my French, siyakhula sifunde then we go to ey'koleni. Masifunde ey'koleni lezi ey'thizeni. Somehow ikhona into eyi-brainwash, into ekubulalayo ukuthi ungabuyeli lapha ne-Eslom. Noma bengayisho direct, but most of the people abakhelezile ababuyele emuva. Ngingabuza la endlini mhlawumbe uthi ekuseni manje check-in like on our phones. Ngobani abaney'namba mhlawumbe ungathi hayi nginayo inamba kaprofessor. Yabo, hayi nginenamba kadean, nginenamba kabani bani. Abantu masebe-grand, they escape. No one like worries about going back to like Kamakon. Bazobuya ngomgqibelo bezongcwaba bashaye khona finish and clear. It's the system. Kwakuvele kuthiwa khelezani masenikelezile shaye khona finish and clear.
Sure. Mina Prazu, because you touched something, I think, which I feel like I relate a lot with in the Base rural areas. I think twice.
Right.
Throughout the conversation, I'm not sure if Nizoy understand ndlela engiyibuka ngayo. I mean, I've never lived a location, so I don't really understand what happens at location. So when I look at Ilokish, ngilibuka in a sense of something better than lang phuma khona mina, which second best to lang funa ukuya khona.
Alright,
Yabo?
right.
Because anything close to emakhaya is a hostel, ama emakhaya, because that's where we flock to. Mangabe sifuna ama opportunities as abantu basibakhaya.
Yeah.
So I feel like mhlawumbe ungas understand this ukuthi what really happens elokishini, so that nami ngizo understand ukuthi lento enisabayo yini kahle kahle, because thina more than lento menginizwa nichaza thina sisaba indlala. Of which last come on, which is the worst last phuma khona.
Alright.
So the worlds are not the same. So ngizama understand the lower parts. And two, when I think 20, 25, 30 years ago, ngesikhathi mhlambe kuthiwa abelungu bafuna ukwakha ilokisho ama-townships, or 40 years ago, I don't know when. I think ngengqondo yasemakhaya they were trying to create something better ezokwazi ukuthi ibe closer to i-town and ama-suburbs. Because abantu babefuna basondele eduze kwakhona. When you think of Eskom Plaza as umuntu wasemakhaya, you look at every ndawo e-Eskom Plaza, because I don't think Eskom Plaza iClermont kuphela yabo. Ilezi ndawo eqala as ama informal settlements, and then later on they develop into a semi township.
Yeah.
Yabo. Zonke ziba, it's either eduze airport, it's either eduze mall, or it's either eduze whatever. Yabo, la kuzoba khona ama-opportunities or industrial areas lawa sesibiza ngama-firm kudala.
Right.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So ngifuna uku-understand umuntu osekhaya uthi yini leyo, and two, who is to blame here? Is it people who dwells in the townships or the whites who created this thing? Did they create a mess for abantu in the future, or abantu abahlala khona they got too comfortable and started misbehaving elokishini?
All right. Ngiyabonga Qadi. Beautiful question, Brazo. Mfethu ilokishi, I would simply say that indlela la createwa ngakhona mfethu. Kwa createwe into engazuthi it's a dormitory type of a place. Kwangesiwo mhlawumbe kwa create indawo engono. Kwa create indawo yokuthi phela i-system njoba khona indaba zama like different revolutions and i-system was all about creating a labor, like labor intensive type of abantu bazosebenza bazofeza ifiso zamangamula ababanikazi bama-fame and so labantu bazomove from like the rural areas to leyo nto ibizwa kuthiwa i-urbanization. Ayikho into eyayinhle, to be quite honest, besides okay bazosebenza bafuna isinko, kodwa before that abantu bebekwazi ukuzenzela izinto emakhaya, abantu bebe self-sufficient bekwazi ukuze, kodwa kwa-create nje lento uthi okay abantu sebezosebenza beze la bazohlala, mabehleli la everything they do, even the movements were regulated. Mawuza la uyasitshela mangabe kuzofika ifro yakho, do you understand, ukuthi izofika for X amount of days, ihambe iyogxiviza ukuthi izohlala and then ibuyele emuva nani nani, makuzovakasha ingane and ubhuti, and so bengeyona indawo mhlawumbe so cruiser sohlala, yonke into ugadiwe through yabo the magnifying glass and so sahlala ke yafana abelungu babe-create into abayi-creatile ey'hliki zabo yabo. But ngoba manje ngeke sale sithi hhayi amagqonqa in nathi-ke ngiyathanda ukuthi ukhuluma about i-mess, ukuthi kwa-create-eka i-mess, but from i-mess kunga-create-eka i-message if thina we can always raise a mindset, thina fanele sikhuphule indlela yokucabanga, siconvecte lento siyenze ibe into meaningful. I can always make ama-examples ukuthi how, but ilokishi kwa-create nje enye into nje yokudidisa udaki kwindlela kade operate ngakhona, ngoba umuntu bekade etshala back then emakhaya efuyile nani nani, mase sehlezi la usetshela ukuthi ngeke azakwazi ukufuya imbuzi nenkomo nani nani, ngeke azakwazi ukufuya inkukhu, then kwenzakalani? Kwenzakala ukuthi umuntu agcine seyinyanya inkukhu nembuzi ngoba ucabanga ukuthi inamazenze iyanuka. Conditioning, uphucwa lento ade uphila ngayo, usuhlala lento wena usuyinyanya, but bona basayiphusha bese ingena kawulu wethu uthenga isteak obungasihlanganisa, so bekuvele kulinyaza ingqondo yomuntu, but singayilungisa lonto if we can take like action. Ngiyayithanda le movement because how I wish engathi fethi ngelinye ilanga le movement engathiwa cane ngishayele around eClermont ifike nalama camera
bazosimama inkunzi.
ngeke yes ngeke mfethu yazi mfethu, okay, this has nothing to do with me mfethu. Mina elokishini mhlambe sengibafakile mhlambe abelungu I hope angenzi hub, but abelungu aba more than 30 yabo. Mina lento engiyona yabo,
Beyokwenzani?
hayi mina mfethu ngidayisa noma yini yabo. Yeah. Ilokishi mfethu mina abelungu bengibadayisele experience yabo. Ngifuna ukubakhombisa ukuthi udaki mangabe ubehave kanjani, ngifuna ukubakhombisa udaki uhamba kanjani yabo, lento ukuthi mawuhamba udaki one shoulder down isibaca nani, bengifuna ubadayisela lonto nokuthi sikhuluma kanjani, senza kanjani, then I would make money out of that. Umlungu ofikayo beyi-crew bezedladleni yabakhokhisa. Yeah.
Yazi ubusho ushilo. Okay, wazobuza. So
Dayisa yonke mhlambe wathi ngenze ngizoshaya into.
imacela kuqala abuze bese siyasaqo.
Oh yeah, sure.
Ngithandi, okay, 2 points. Ukuthi leyana bosho selidlulile. Ukuthi point number 1 is ukuthi you spoke about English, yabo? And as a business person, do you think it's the English itself in terms of the vocabulary or the way abantu be pronounce ngayo enga affecta the way you work nabantu in terms of business? That's number 1. The second one would be ukuthi you spoke about mess turning into a message. And in as much as obviously singasho ukuthi sa influence zenziwa zonke lezi zinto, is there no part esiyithathayo thina as black people in not taking these problems and these messes and making something out of it. No, it's we're victims of circumstance all the time.
Yeah, sis. Mhlambe let me touch base kule nto English and pronunciation and intonation and. English language nje mfethu, just like any other languages yabo. Fine iyasebenza ngoba phela iyakwazi ukubeka isinkwa phezu kwetafula nge-English, but i-English mfethu akuyonto esingayipraise ngaleyo ndlela. You know what I'm saying? Simply because English is not the oldest language, to be quite honest. Khona ama-languages abekhona, is Latin and whatnot. I-language yadesignwa for a specific reason, do you understand? But yeah, but nawo akamangisi ayine-agenda ukuthi hayi laba sobenza bakhuluma i-English umhlaba wonke. Okay, okusho ukuthi nathi njengoba sikhuluma isiZulu or whatever language is Swahili, nathi we can push i-agenda ukuthi i-language yethu ibe scientific. I-language iba scientific after 100 years. Okusho ukuthi noma kudlalwa la ko-Google nani nani kube ukuthi nathi isiZulu siyahola ngesiZulu. Do you understand? Language, we can work on the language, senze imali. Okay, let me take this to another world. Ngoba besikhuluma ngeluzana ngelokishi, but I'll come back to a message. I love iLamont. Ukhona umuntu waseLamont lapha fethu?
Akekho asinamali.
Kodwa shout out.
Shout out to iLamont. Yeah.
Ratu asinamali.
Yeah. Yes, you know what I like about iLamont? iLamont bane language yabo. It's the only township in SA abane language yabo. Abayihlanganisele yona. Bane language abayibiza ukuthi isidando. Bamonderela. I-jacket bayibiza ngomjalaketi. Yabona ngishoyo. And baphambanisa amagama. But ngiworried ukuthi iLamont ihlele kanjani nale language ekhulunywa nawo ogogo bakhona nani. Kodwa akabi khona incwadi ebhalwe ngesidando. It's a story for another day. I'm talking about making money ngayo yonke into esinayo. Singafundisa even amagqonqa ngayo ilanguage yaseLamont, but it's a story for another day. Let me come back to mess and message. Fethu yonke into eyihliki apha elokishini singayiguqula siphile ngayo. I can always make an example, but I don't know how much time do we have. But ngiyathanda ukuthi mangixoxa, I don't want to sound precautious. I want to make sure ukuthi ekukhulumeni kwami balance wonke umuntu akwazi ukubamba, afunde isifundo abe ulayitha yabo. Usimo igama lami, right? Njengoba ngusimo, okay, ngizoqala ngithi usimo besebenza ebank. Ebank, ibank is a 4-letter word. Simo, bank, 4-letter name. Then mangisebenza la ngane, nami ngaba ibank. Thatha wonke ama-techniques. Ngoba ngilokishi ngancukula umqondo wasebank. So nami ngibank ngisebenza ngani ngidayisa uthando. Ngoba nomqondo waselokishini. Fast forward, usimo, ekhaya babekade bethe usimo samadoda. Ngoba ngathi timer la khandi dlobayisi. Or mhlambe la jump or so, I don't know, yabo. So njengoba kanti kuthiwa isimo samadoda, mina ngoba ngilokishi yonke into ngiyayiguqula ngifuna ukwenza imali, I tweaked my name ngalenza la see more, yabo, see more possibilities. From see more possibilities to Simo, now I have this. These classes are called Simo Eyewear because ngilokishi yonke into ngiyayiguqula ngifuna inyuka.
Danke.
Mess to message.
I like that.
You see more possibilities.
Make sure that Nick, Ben. Move
I'm asking if he sees more possibilities through his eye work.
Yeah. Okay, cela sibuyeke brazo kule besikhuluma ngayo because sigcine sesenza mistake ngokuthi bengazi ukuthi sibukele iClimate phansi.
Yeah.
We were joking, but we want to understand how would you like to uplift ilokishi by bringing these platforms. Ngithandile umzekelo wakho bowenza ukuthi ukwazi nokufaka ogqonqa yabo eClermont phinde ube tourist yabo mawukuthi kanjani maliveli too acela sicela sibuyele lapho.
All right, but all right. Yeah, mfethu. Bengisazama ukuchaza especially bengisikaza indaba yasemlazi yabo ukuthi Max right across properties and ukuthi besingadayisi experience. Yazi abelungu ngabadayisela ngisho ukulalela lokishini obatshethe izwa lenkukhu njalo ngo6 iyakhala. Yayize ngisho inkukhu ekade lalela uthotena lenkukhu nje obikhala ka hold on. Yeah. I'm telling you.
There's actually
Ngifuna imali mfethu.
do you know the video can you video for real? Is Amahadida. Do you know that video?
I know that video,
And he
yes.
wakes up and he's like, what is that? Because that's what you are, Amahadida.
Yeah. Just imagine. Just imagine inkukhu kade iwu200 rand ivalue yayo. Umlungu oqhamuke ePortugal useyizwile ukuthi iyakhala njalo ngo4. bese uyamtshela le nkukhu iwu-216 izokhala ePortugal usunemali.
You are
Understand?
well.
Inkinga lalela thina silele phezu kwey'nzangane yabo. Township is the beautiful thing yabo. I love the ghetto. Believe in me, mina mfethu, I'm one of those guys who's raising the flag for the ghetto.
Sure.
But I'm worried about the mindset. Do you understand? So all I'm trying to say is we can delve a little bit deep and look into the things that we can always turn into imali. Spilling. Yabo?
But wena uma uyenza isound simple kanje omunye umuntu akayiboni simple kanjalo. Yazi ukuthi bayakwazi ukuthatha ikani elokishini bahambe bayoliframe abalifaka emuseum balidayisa ama-million.
Right.
Ikani into engayenzi nje sense.
Yeah.
Wena uma usuyisimplify kanje wenza umzekelo ngenkukhu yabo leyo experience.
Yeah.
Abantu abayi-understand yonke leyo. Yabo nami manje mangase ngicabanga ukwenza mhlambe asithi ngivula i-restaurant elokishini ngoba ngifuna uku-attract ama-tourist. Ngizozama ukufaka ifurniture abelungu efensi engaba ngifaka lezi zinto zala so that abantu bebefika bafike kuyilento ekuyiyona vele for experience yayo.
Speaking of that, mina abelungu bebefika mabengishayela around bebehlala ekesini la beer. You know what I did about ikesi la beer? Ngavele ngalibranda, ngalifaka my face laba yellow. Khokhela ukuhlala kubeka isinqa ekesini.
Yazi mfethu.
Silamba ngamasibomba fethu.
Hey, betsazi
Sorry,
mfethu.
bafethu.
Impintsha bese ngeke.
Yeah.
Yazi as ukhuluma butami ngilokhu ngicabanga but ngisho ukuthi yazi we are focused so much on what is missing elokishini. You know? I feel like we focus so much on what black people are missing and what is the problem and the issues that we have. And very few people are providing solutions and ways that people can actually change impilo zabo.
Yeah.
And I always, every time when I get an opportunity to ngiyokhuluma endaweni, I always refer or rather make you reference to the children of Israel, because uNkulunkulu bebakhipha eGibhithe bayitha to the land of the promise. They were supposed to go for just 3 days, but uNkulunkulu was worried about the mindset yabo. So he actually took them kwenye direction. They spent 40 years. And uNkulunkulu, the reason why he kept them, wayefuna ukuthi bebezaleli ingane yabo ukuze akwazi ukuthi ahambe nezingane zabo ashiye bona. You understand? And I think we should also then try by all means ukuthi let's focus less on what is missing elokishini. Ukuthi okay, black people abelungu created a system to fail us. We know that. Everyone preaches that, including myself. You understand? I think now ngobusho bese inkukhu bese ngathi ngizoyidayisa elokishini fethu
Telling you, fethu.
nezinye izinto fethu nami nginama ideas yabo fethu engawayenza bese ngiwalento ngiwa-introduce elokishini yabo because nami ngiqhamuka eMandeni endaweni saka small lokishi but you know
Ziyakhipha eMandeni.
fethu
Ziyakhipha buku.
fethu
Yeah, mfethu.
Nice
Okay.
one.
Othi ngitouch base kwenye into yabo. Othi ngitouch base kwenye into ngizojika la fast yabo. This is me trying to add a little bit. Mina ngipantsula mfethu.
Sure.
Yeah, make no mistake. Ngipantsula qondile yabo. So ngibuka abantu bedlala ngopantsula. Angithi amapantsula aphathi khona ayahilela phuca abantu. Then I said to myself, let me redefine upantsula. Ngathi ngizogeza, ngibe nefro, ngibe ney'ngane, ngiphile ifamily yabo. Ngoba manje because lento ayidefiniwe kahle. Okay, fast forward. Ngithe mangikhula ngibuke elokishini, siyadansa elokishini sibuya ngokuzolala. You understand?
Yeah.
Lento uyibona la esifubeni sami, this is me, like this shade, yabo. Mina mfethu ngiyadansa. Yabo, ngabona kunesisi esingaka siyancipha mase ngidansa. Siyasha. Do you understand? Ngoba ngisuke sengifuna imali.
Oh, daddy music.
So, listen to this. Kukune lesson kuyona. Ngithathe umdanso odanswa emgaqweni, ngawurapha kamnandi, ngawucommercialize, ngawudayisa ICC. When you book me for whatever event ufuna ngime phambi kwabantu, ngingena ngesipantsula bese ngithi George Phathiwisa bese ngiphuma mhlambe no30 blocks bese ngiyagoduka. So ngiyaxolisa kusasa angasondeli but I've made imali more than ikhoma ngokuthi ngwaselokishini. Ngidayisa ukuthi ngwaselokishini ngiyahlonipha ngiyabathanda abantu. That's what I sell. So I understand umuntu ohleze elokishini uhluphekelani mhlambe ngcono
Wait, bro. Ushaye imali engangekho.
ngasajampisa. Yajampisa.
Abamthumile.
Ekhoma ngokudala.
Misuke yabhise yingane.
Ngempela mfethu na umbuzo la.
phela lento sengiyenze for so many years ngiyabala
Ungachazi bafudlula athi ngigayi question.
15 10 20 18 7 whatsoever ngiyashanela ngidayisa isipantula
Sure,
bayasithenga umasipala uyayithenga icorporate nana ngidayisa into yangasekhaya zisho
Sure.
so akusho ukuthi uthola isigubhu angisho ukuthi into ekhona emzimkhulu ibhanga o0 bancane kodwa ngisho ukuthi mina almost every weekend ngiphusha isipantula ngesipackage ngibaphonsela ngikhumbuza abantu ukuthi kambe kujatshulwa kanjani because abantu mase sebekelezile sebe right behleze ama boardroom they forget how to become happy. My job is to remind them that hey ngibe ngathi nguPopeye kanti ngifuna inyuka ngifaka isandla phaketheni sipantula asikwazi asincukula sithathe ngenkani iart.
There's something that's engifuna ukubuyisa kuyona la. The way you're speaking, there's an element that speaks to i-profile yakho.
Yebo.
But I think you can clarify it even with words because it says you're a social entrepreneur. And a lot of people understand what it is to be a businessman. And there's a huge connotation around what a businessman is. But a lot of people don't understand that there's a different type of businessman that is a social entrepreneur. And I just want you to break that down for people. Even though when you're speaking, you can see Gutai, this person is what he said he is. But I want you to just define it for those who are not following at that frequency. Danko.
All right, bafethu I'll break it down but lo mjita ngiyamsola ukuthi uyena mjita ke wesingisi la endlini qali.
Uye.
Yabo
Yes,
I'm telling you yabo umjita umuntu okhuluma isingisi yabo umuntu ngekuthiwa kanjani ufluent yabo mase ukhuluma uqala ubone efutha ama lips ethi you see bro ngina hey English yabo okay but ke mfethu I'm pulling your leg siyadlala sidlala izinto okay yeah okay mfethu i-social entrepreneur mfethu yeah that's the work that I do yabo i-social entrepreneurship is all about creating solutions. Do you understand? The work that I do revolves around creating, like we promote something called social intelligence, emotional intelligence, collective and organic intelligence, and also indigenous intelligence, because people, they walk around daydreaming, not knowing who they are. So we remind them that, hey, wawuhlakaniphile wena back in the days, nayindlela yokuhlakanipha yokuphila and so social entrepreneurship is about creating solutions. So we create solutions. The reason why we went into different departments and tell them, Uti, back home, we know nothing about AI. We are totally confused and. Then the departments, when they see this idea making sense, they need to cough out a couple of rands so that we can create this beautiful platform and talk and create solutions. Because, hey, but for institutions of higher learning, like they will pay imali for abantu abazokwenza i-research ngathi ngempilo yethu. Mhlambe I'm just making an example. Bafuna ukufaka ubhiyo omusha. Bese bethi ena we are doing something called a research. We need to apply something called research methodology, right? Quantitative and quantitative. Mina ngenza quantitative and qualitative ngesipantula and make money.
Let's go.
Thank you, sir.
Hayi mfethu uyayishala nombolo but into emnandi ukuthi uyenza yonke le nto ngoba nakufuna inyuka. So imali uyayithanda vele plus.
Hayi uyakuthi ngiyayithanda mfethu umuntu uzele mfethu umuntu uneyimpongo kunuka iteke endlini.
Yeah, how many kids now?
3 boys.
Oh well, that's so dope, man. Shout out to you, man. 3 boys. It's not how's it like to be a father, bro?
In fact, it's a beautiful thing, bro. I have to be honest. Yeah, but I grew up without a father. I'm told that my father left at the age of 29, and unfortunately, Baba, mshange koni, logish. Yabang shoy. And then, you know, like this idea of growing, like ukhuliso gogo, it's something else. Yeah, ugogo nothando, and but uyayifila enye into. Just back in the days, I used to cry. Ma bengihleli nabantu, ngizwe umuntu ena ebiza ubaba wakhe, kuthi bani, ngimuza ethi baba. Ngizwe enye pain, yabona ngisho. So kubuhlungu ukukhula without a father, and I'm happy now ukuthi I'm a father every day. Mfethu yabo mhlambe even like mangifika manje, mhlambe okay ngizofika besabhekile. But I'm a type of a father onyonyobayo, ngiyatiptoe, ngiyobuka ingane zami ilele, ngibabone ukuthi yeah bathanda sana. Yabo ayafezeka sana. Ngubeko sana. Yeah, uNkulunkulu ngicela ungivikelele bona bakhulu baba madoda. cela ungivikelele bona lingadlali ngabe ilokishi. Yeah.
Siyabonga.
Yeah. Shout out to you, man. And let's talk about your wife, bro. Hlangana up naye.
Oh, enkwareni.
Nama.
Hayi bungangidani.
Mtantwe.
Ijithi singibhoge kakhulu besides indaba yenyuka nani.
Sure.
But konke engayishaya imfihlo ngathi mangithi ngase ngithumela abanye abantu bamuthi bamkhiphele eceleni
Kunama.
entweni. Yeah.
Uthini musumngena?
Mfethu ngamthintisa isifuba yabo. Saxoxa kancane ngamthintisa la sathi isifuba njengoPopeye.
Sure.
Yeah, sekamncazela. Sure. Yeah, la sengamchazela ukuthi hayi ugogo mfethu edladleni wala. Phela mfethu elokishini kahle kahle na i2-1 ilokuzana. Skipping into yakhona.
Sure.
Ingakho ngiba worried but ngizobuya ngize kwe-free. Ingakho ngiba worried ukuthi indlela esithintitha ngakhona elokishini. Awishe ngathi singathatha lesi skill esishela ngaso sesiconvert sikwazi ukusha ama business deal.
Sure.
Yeah. Thatha lo muntu ade qeda ukushela intombazana mathi wo woza la mfaka umphonse airport uthi nanka amalo kuzana ama CEOs. Use the very same method ade uthola ngayo inamba kula ntombazana. Kodwa laba batshela bafaka imali ku-investment. Do iyafa lento. Mawawela nje urawat cishile i2-1. Foster.
Hayi izobhasha ngempela.
Yabo but such is life bafethu. Yeah. Imasha qondile but no mfethweni ifike nje mfethu ngabeka nje amabili amathathu. Yeah and kodwa nje into engagadla nganga mfethu ayigogo ufuna umuntu ongathi yabo and I naye wathi.
Did you have any picture in mind ukuthi ufuna umuntu onjani ozoshada naye?
Mfethu la ngane mfethu yazi kwenzakala enye into mfethu ngizoshaya into ewala. Ngangihamba namajita ami asembali eMaritzburg e13 yabo.
Sure.
So njoba sihamba sikule age leyo yabo amagazi ayashisa siyayitshela sazi ukuthi silayithile and futhi vele sithintile yabo. So njoba lamajita esuke embali ngivakashele eClermont nami fanele ngiprove a point ukuthi I'm able to give them hospitality and but yazi sathi taxi mfethu lengane ngayibona ngashawa olunye uvalo ngale ukuthi angikwazanga upaka yabo like nje phela masikhulu usukhula nje uyinkene oboy ejazi uyinto eqinile yabo but lapha ngafane ngathula lengane yazi yadilika kwayima ngibuyela ngiba ulive wire kanti ngizophinde ngiyibone ephathini ngase ngichazela abanye abantu ngoba ngangibona ukuthi uma ngizoyiqonda mina ngizogeja ngeapproach angithi ifrom into umsuthu so ngathinta abanye abesuthi ngathi ntate kupa ungithuze ngibahla yabo nami phela lapho ngiyazama yabona ngishoyo sure kwathi gaga wabuyisela ngala eceleni ngathi 1212 la muntu mfethu axoxa nje wanginikeza inamba yakhe kanye yabo kwakusayini nalo ucingo lolwa yeah, phela sibadala ngila 21 years ngithrowile
Nama.
Yeah.
Shout out to you, bro.
21 years. Umuntu okulalelwa ke. Wena bo wena shira.
Awubaqinise
Bets, awuze nazo bets.
I know
Isimashele sonke la.
ngiyabonga Shapiri. Umuntu simo basimile konke.
ayikho ghost
Ho, njengoba engasejona umuntu ongasejona bakadibe phela.
Ubuza mina.
Ubabezi nje lo uzoshaya naye. Naye lo ziyamqondela izinto zakhe. Yabo
Yey.
no lokunjana futhi ungaphiki no shepherd ushima nathi njoba u-trick pack.
Nami.
imali
Kayisa uma bese ungeke ufuna ukubuza.
ubani izile zakhe zemlungelayo mfethu
Yabo
Kanye-
wethu ushadile uphela ushadile ziyamlungela.
okay yabo now hold on angithi mina yonke into mathematics ziyamlungela ngino 15 blocks
Oh MC emshadweni.
MC
Yonke mabash.
Simo possibility.
Lo uyathini wena Simo uzothatha lo omunye 15 about 2 lapho.
Awukho la.
all right
Awukho la uzukula bazokufaka.
u10 u5 zoshiya la endlini
Thank you siyabonga. Mfethu ngishaya ngento yakho.
phela ukubuza umuntu onjengami nimcindezela kanjani qhubeka koza
I've heard a lot of prominent businessmen, I believe just like yourself, say, ukshata noma ukuba in a stable relationship with a stable partner, udlala a huge role
Yeah.
in the success of your business.
Yeah.
When in the beautiful 21 years uNkulunkulu esekubusisile emshadweni, do you think being explicit, do you think kwakusiza? Was it beneficial to your hustle? Did she understand? Ngoba I think isikhathi esiningi as abantu besifazane abanye ba-understand ukuthi the life that we acquire of a man means the sacrifice of time.
Yeah.
So for you, how do you navigate that and how has it been?
All right. Thank you very much for asking that particular question. I know mina mfethu ena, I'm happy. I'm over the moon. Do you understand? I'm not buying your face and. Yabo mfethu lento yokuyisebenza is not a walk in the park. Akusinisa amahleza akuyona ibenzile.
Yeah,
You understand? Yabo la mfethu sihupa utalako, to be quite honest. Ukuthi angilazi utalako ngesingisi. Ukhona ongasiza? Bra wami utalako ngesingisi.
I know.
All right. Chasing the wind. Chasing the wind. Yeah. Okay, fine. Usesizile bhuti.
Oh, that's a
So when I'm machine, so I say chasing the wind. Yeah. Lento ayikho lula akudlalwa. Do you understand? But if unomuntu wakho okuncanywayo, no understand iphupho lakho, who's there for you and kubalekile ukuthi nawe umenzele ivare. Uyabo? I like lento it's a roller coaster. Ngilanga imali khona, ngilanga ayikho, ngilanga ibuye ibe khona. Kodwa mayikhona ngiphonse esifubeni.
Awuze now dog. Awume mfethu yabo ngifuna sishaye nombolo. Yabona manje uyakwenye inombolo mfethu ukuthi baningi love. I know a lot of guys bro are entrepreneur and abanye basanda ukudraw abanye sebadraw for a long time. Abanye sebephumile because abantu besimame ababe bashadile at that time they couldn't handle lempilo yokuba an entrepreneur, a hustle. So kuyo yonke lento bro wenza njani njengoba ebuza Angela bro like cause it's like a lot of women bro abashadela amajita iningi labo bro alba understand. Now how do you make the woman to understand ukuthi kahle kahle ngishadele umuntu kanje? It's not always going to be Gucci all the time.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So that's my question.
All right, Bob. I think lento fethu it like where it begins. Isekutheni lo muntu onayo umphiwe ngempela yini noma umphiwe obani.
Sure.
Do you understand? Sometimes nathi siyabajaha abantu ufuna lo muntu nani but khona umuntu omphiwayo. Mina lo wami ngamphiwa abantu abadala amakhehla nogogo nezalukwazi kanjalo kanjalo. Do you understand? So sine four stand uyabo but akukho lula. Yabo mfethu uma ukwazi ukudila nento entrepreneurship lento complex ngalolu hlobo you must be able to deal with your significant half.
Sure.
Ngoba nayo ukudila nomuntu esifazane kuyi project on its own. Vele mfethu mangabe uyisebenza kahle kahle mfethu, excuse my French, usukukenqeza usukuyimeriel yabo. Abantu baphila impilo straight mfethu njengamanje yabo manje mhlambe njengoba ko 5 6 mhlawumbe abanye sebegezwe inyawo, abanye sebegqoka amagams, sebebuka ama TV. If uyihasla baba siyahlanya isikhatsini manje buka sihlangene kanjani. Siya group yabantu abagulayo. But you need to find a balance, equilibrium ukuthi umuntu wesifazane wakho umbeke esithombeni uthi ekuselalela imash le yabo akukho lula or in mchazele lonke iphupho lakho umbeke esithombeni ngoba kahle kahle mfethu you just need a partner uyabo. I-ghost yethu thina bodakhi lento ukuthi asi understand lento of creating partnerships. Thina bodakhi siphelela uxabana uyabo. Futhi unabantu abakini enikhule nabo enzala nabo nibanga izinto ezingekho ukuthi wena usuzondela ukuthi wena ukwi podcast ubone ngathi ungcono uyayitshela or in odakha abakwazi ukcreate into ekuthiwa i-team ne-system njengoba sikanje i-team. So like mina nomuntu osoft, my wife and I si team yabo. Mayipopile moja siyajabule nama ngipopile kanjalo futhi nawe uyazi ukuthi le iyaxhuga iyazama here and there but mhla yaba grand yabo because mfethu mina anginayo inyoka but mina in my head ngimillionaire.
Sure.
Akekho umuntu ocabanga njengami ozofekhothi ibhani izoba sharp yabo. So ifro years ukuload it odds izoba sharp. Uyazi ngitshela futhi hayi
Sorry, ngixolisa ungene emlomeni.
no problem sisami.
Ukuthi like yabona kasi usho something uchaza ngonkosikazi wakhe and how you guys are a team and uShepherd touched a bit not quite exactly the way nginayo ekhanda yabo ukuthi would you agree with me if I had to say ukuthi the reason why
it's so chaotic is because abantu besilisa also fail present vision to abantu besifazane. Yes, ungangibuka njalo. Abantu besilisa also fail to present vision because awukwazi ukufika kumina uzongitshela okay fine thoba ngisaphanta nan. But akuna direction akho enko ngoba usho ukuthi uyazi engqondweni yakho. And I'm sure there's a certain way you move. There's a certain way wenza ngayo izinto ukuthi unkosikazi wakho abe ne-confidence in what you are telling her. Because uyakubona ukuthi okay fine, as much as my husband is not there, but khona la vele engimbona ukuthi no, une-discipline, une-direction towards that. Because it's pointless for you to say you are a hustler. Okay, then what?
Then what?
Yabo? So you can agree and say ukuthi abantu besilisa bayafeyila ucommunicate leyo vision ukuze ngithenge phela because ngithi udayisela mina.
All right. Mhlambe
Ungezwazi ukuthi ufuna inyuka akudingi ubani
We phuma wena.
if it's social mjondolo
Ngiyabonga nangu ubaba semezwi wakho umjodolo.
yeah. Okay, fine. Mhlambe please allow me to explain this. Asithelwa ngendlela efanayo yabo umuntu esifazana nomuntu wesilisa.
Yeah.
So nathi kubalekile ukuthi senze introspection sis understand ukuthi how do we operate and so that yabo according to psych yabo psychology ithi amadoda ngathi abantu abanama legal boxes in their minds. We have legal boxes. So khona into othola ukuthi ngiyanqena ukukhuluma ngayo ngoba lelo box livaliwe ngalelo langa lelo. Then that's the problem. We must learn to unbox, to open these boxes and ukhulume ungakusabi ukulashwa ukuthi mfethu ngiyaqhuka. Yabo ngisho umuntu akazi ukuthi hayi no ngibhanga athi mayikujayivele ku-3% nawe uzokwazi ukuthi ugaye emasho and bese kuthi nina indlela enidalwe ngakhona kuthiwa like in your minds ngazi ukuthi khona some sort of like iwool yabo.
Sure.
Everything is like yabo
Tangled.
just like that.
Yeah.
Umuntu esifazana akunqeni mfethu uthola ukuthi mhlambe mhlambe okay fine lise mhlambe ku romantic kumnandi khanya amakhandlela kumnandi yabo nama rose petals nani now uthuza ngeroma nani umuntu esifazana akanqeni ukukubuza in the middle of nowhere ukuthi sorry baba ama rates siwakhokhelile lalela kuvene ku women swish yabo kunzima ukukhuphula women swish kodwa all I'm trying to say is ne ghost ye communication thina yabo it takes a bit of isikhathi. So ngiyacela majideni try your utmost best umuntu wakho awulahla ucoshi tshele makuntswembu yabo I understand noma futhi sometimes ingenzeka futhi avuka i3 card or wele indlela enidalwe ngakhona but mfethu ngeke sikwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwenu. Do you understand? Njoba kwakudaliwe ekuqaleni ukuthi Adam no Eva what ukuthi ke thina ke mfethu ngibe ngiworried kancane angathi wethu Adam no Eva ngathi igqila nje mfethu kodwa Adam no Eva wabelungu ngathi mhlawumbe omunye ocruisayo. I don't understand ukuthi Adam no Eva benza iphutha abakhishwa ezweni elithizeni ngoba babedla isithelo nani kwase kwathi bazosebenza kanzima nathi sisebenza kanzima kodwa abelungu abasebenzi kanzima bavuka go fork and knife labadloti amadesi nani safa sicheck lo yinto eyenza ukuthi sisebenza kanzima shosholoza mina ngifuna indaba shosholoza ngiyila ngishosholoza lento ingqondo.
True.
You yazi interesting sim. So interesting. You touched on another mhlambe sengiyadigress, I'm sorry. But you spoke ukuthi I liked the question yakho yokuthi like main seller streams. I'm sorry. I'm not buying a dream. I'm not buying a dream.
Yeah, right.
Lethu seniphelile mfethu. Simbone senze njani. But you also spoke about ukuthi uwalethela abantu abadala umuntu.
Yeah.
Kuba kanjani ke bhuti if uthola ukuthi ngempela that is your person but you are in very different places in life?
I think in our fertility alignment, it's always important to like to understand like different frequencies, different whatever. Like try your utmost best to yabo uzwe ukuthi kwenzakalani other than the spoken words. Yabo. Fethu ngizokwenzela example. Mina umuntu wami umuntu oyikerke, yabo. Don't Catholic what yabo. Mina ngikhule edladleni ngingasonto. Sonta nokungayi doesn't mean a thing yabo ngisho but ngoba mina ngikule journey ngikuyona fanele mayigqoka ekerke nami fanele ngihlale imbashalala ngoba ngeke ngikwazi ukumdayisela iphupho kodwa futhi angiyikuleli phupho lakhe lasesontweni. So khona la fanele ukusacrifice ukubhende konza no let me do this and inkinga usukuthi wena udayisa iphupho kodwa you are not bending to ezinye izinto ezimchazayo sibawa.
Yeah.
So would you say you are
Hambeke.
you're spiritual but upenda ku religion? And
Yeah, mfethu.
she's religious.
They're very and yeah, futhi nakune balance religious and mina mhlambe it's a 70-30 type of a thing. I'm very much spiritual. I read people's minds. I read a whole lot of things. Like, okay, ngiyaqosa usho ukuthi mina mfethu ngumjito othi mayivuka ekuseni anginayo iplan eningi mangivuka. Do you understand? I believe in something called omens. My things ziyazenzakalela. Like sometimes nginokudrive imoto ngize ngigcine ngiyibona sengise-airport angazi ngiyokwenzana e-airport. Then bese ngihlangana nomuntu othi uzongikwenzela into ethize nana. So every day I always ask myself, mase ngidrophe ingane esikoleni, ngadrophe ifro. Not unless mhlampe nginama-bookings, nama-meetings, but I always try to find ama-spaces zama uconnect. Namhlanje sithini kwenzakalani in. Sengisurvive for more than, I don't know, yeah, more than 10 years ngalento. Umusa ngiyafloat like this.
Ubuyele emshadweni Shaphiri mfethu. Usimuntu 20 years emshadweni. 21 cha. Ushiya kanjani lo? Mhlawumbe lo unzima siphat.
No, mhlawumbe masiceda ukucisha amakhamera sothandaza sithelane ngamanzi. Abuyele into.
So, bro, in all of these years, bro, while you married unkosikazi wakho and iy'ntwana zakho mawukhuluma nazo about looking for a partner, yiphi message oyishona ukubona?
Well, I think eyokuqala mfethu ile ukuthi ena bengatatazeli. Sure yabo. I think the gospel that I always preach into self discovery.
Sure.
Yabo. Zazi, understand. Yabo. I'm always trying to teach them to understand themselves because kuhlungu mfethu ukubona abantu abangazazi. Baningi abantu abangazazi, yabo. So ke kodwa ke phela ke ngoba lezi ngane mayikhula khonto ezidlayo yabo isystem lesikuyona bafethu ivele into econtrolwayo whatever that we eat iyakwazi ukushaya ama hormones ukuthi ingane sishaya ifence sifuna vele ukujola ngoba sekhona la kuncinza khona or what can we do ngeke uzokwazi ukuyiblocker lonto yabo. But I always try to preach a gospel ukuthi self discovery, understand yourself and yeah.
When you look right now, social media, dating scene, marriage, uyabona manje mfethu mamnebeshadile amathi mechitha umuntu osimama shy content ukuthi nange ngichithela da bayingena abantu baxabana baphinde babuyelana. What do you take of the scenario yo date manje or marriage being so public kuma social media platform?
Well, I'll simply say that we need to guard against that. Not everything goes to social, baba. Yabo, social is something else. La sizophanda sozama amasende la kwe-social. So if into ngizongifakela amasende ngizoyipostelana. Do you understand? Abanye bangapha ukuthi phela maningi ama-reasons okuposta. Abanye mhlawumbe uthi une-void, omunye khona enye into, omunye ufuna ukugcwalisela abantu ayikhula nabo abekade mhlawumbe bahlangana bahlukana and la kwi-social media sokwenza inyuka. Uma ngabe lento ayizokwenzela inyuka phuma kuyona uzoqhuma ikhanda ingakho abantu benolaka yabo because umuntu uthatha ulaka labanye abantu kunenye igroup ekuthiwa i-ladies house iyavutha then bese uthatha ulaka le-ladies house uzolifaka la ekhaya. No, mina la yimi nawe esitikini ingakho nayo umuntu soft ngiveza once in a while qaqa bengithi sweep ngihambe ngiyidansele ngenza inyongo ngoba hey mangizomveza njalo bazothi hey nange dance nange thola ihug. But then uyazi umuntu wami ukuthi kuyenzeka ngihlangane hug ngibuye nelokuzana la yini into le ne-Fire Foundation. Mangibona i-foundation inkulu ngisheshe ngithumele iqala 20 blocks bamba lapho uzobona sanifike kahle.
Danke Majideni mashe kakhulu. Mashe kakhulu.
No, man, that's so helpful, bro. Because right now, I think we're in the age where most of relationships have been ruined by social media.
Most definitely.
You know, you see abantu fethu into abi rights until they fuck social media and then more shake, you know. And it's sad because a lot of some of these people abanye used to look up to, you know. We thought that they had a solid marriage, and then suddenly now they start posting and then intimacy and moshad. So I like that because privacy is also important. A lot of us want to expose ourselves. So now let's come back to dance, bro. You've been doing a lot of
Shape
work.
up. Mfethu ukudance before siye khona nami ngishadile mfethu ngifuna ukungena la kancane.
Boza sayje. Boza malungu.
Yeah, no, mfethu just sort of ukukhatha mfethu. But just a thing to clarify ne. I always had this thought in my mind, Uguti. People who have done marriage for 10, 15, 20 years, there's, because I've only been in it 2 years. Yeah. And already mina, ngiyabona ukuthi hayi, there's things I wish were different. From your own reflection, which side yakho, like from your own growth and what you've seen in marriage, maybe talk us through, it doesn't have to be in detail,
All right.
what the framework would have been knowing what you know. And this question should speak to us, people who are still 2 years in. Uguti, there's certain things I'm only going to find out in 5 years. But if I can get it now, there's an advantage that it gives me going into this 5-year, this 10-year point, this 15-year point. Some of those nuggets within your own marriage that you can say that, hey, I'm speaking to men first. These are the things that you can get wrong, and this is how you go about it.
Yeah.
Then you're speaking to women. Uguti, this is where I saw in my wife a space for growth. So that also young couples can see, Uguti, hey, this thing we're fighting about is not just us. This thing is happening even in a house with more possibilities. So it's just giving us that walkthrough so that we can take these things as we approach those bigger numbers, have that awareness as well. Danko.
Okay, thank you so kindly, Patwam. Yeah. Yeah, umshado wethu, it's something else, yabo. Yeah, there's so many changes in the spectrum of umshado, yabo. I think makhuluma ngo 2 years, according to my thinking, so we're honeymoon stage, yabo. Yeah, no, it's all rosy, what, this and that, nan. But as iminyaka ihamba, izinto ziyashintsha. Do you understand? Khumbule lo muntu oshade naye kuyena wakini. Yabo ngisho uyena nawe uyena. Yeah, phela siyasho ukuthi 2 people coming together and whatnot, but khamambe kuvele ukuthi yo, yabo ngisho. Yeah. Like mhlambe kwamanje scary. Mhlambe ngoba khona i-technology up to scratch. Mhlambe ezothi pop ngizoyivala lo part yabo. Mhlambe manje mhlambe usashipheka i-few. Pop yabo ngisho. Kodwa kuzohamba isikhathi thothi nature ubothi yabo manje I can't hold this thing like do. Yabo ngisho. Impilo le yabo ngisho. So all I'm trying to say is but kunama changes enzakalayo emshadweni. You need to try your utmost best to play along, understand each other. Khona la umuntu esifazane khona ezoshintsha khona. Angazi ke umuntu esifazane kunesikhathi la ubona khona usebe seyi3 card, uyabo? Yeah. Niyaghosta nina. Yabo?
Yeah.
Niyathetha, uyabo? Kodwa futhi nafanele sik-understand futhi ukuthi okay fine nathi ngathi khona into ebengathi siyingane. Sibadala kodwa futhi siyingane. Uyabo ngisho? Umuntu osilisa ngaba muscular nani ingakho uNkulunkulu wabothi ish ngeke ingane ngizingibeke eswini salo otherwise if nathi sasaba abantu ababezoba pregnant ngabe khona ngabe sinengane nga1 ngoba si muscular kodwa samagwala so laba bane power ibona uNkulunkulu abachuza for a multiplication so ungabe threatened by the fact that umama uzobe yabe umama kuthethise somewhere along the way izodlula futhi isizini yokuthetha buyibele back to square one but wena fanele uhlezi wakha amaqhinga bo mastermind uthi hayi uzothetha ngumuthi i-chocolate or inami nana mina into engiyifundile ukuthi yena okay mangibothe ya nayivuka lento mina nga create enye room yabo yokuthi ena ngingabulawa ukuthi kube khona wa mina ngihleze ngidlala because angifuni ukugugisa umshado uyagugisa uyathithibala lapha thothi ya uthola ukuthi ena ifro yakhe igqoke kahle intswempe yabo ishaya iweave yashintsha ishaya ama designer whatsoever wena usugqoka ijezi labafana namanye ama push in impilo isikhatha lalela usuthethiswe ngalendlela ukuthi awusakwazi ukubheka impahla zakho na ukwazi ukuthi ushintshe nana you've lost the definition of ba happy so I said to myself I'm in this space but I'll continue to be usimo jovial because angifuni ukubulawa umshado ngoba kuthiwa ngoba phela ngithi nakhona amakhulunywa mhlambe sekuhlangene omama nana hayi ungamncengi bayabheda laba yabo it's always the us and them type of a situation mina ngimina la sizodlala nawe uyazi ukuthi ya noma ngagosta but mina ngithanda ukudlala because thina abantu abamnyama sikwenza kube ngazi ukuthi iphuthu ukudlala we don't have to have fun like right now ngiyi podcast o7 mhlambe ko show 8 I'm having fun angizili uzoganga la edrobheni. I'm just having fun. I live in microphone, I love cameras, ngiyathanda ukudlala ngenkothe and I'm just having fun. So mase ngibuyela kwi-structure sekuthiwa hey siyalala manje bengiboza ngoblanket but I had fun. So
Nah, that's so helpful, bro. And I like the fact
When
that
are you having
because it's
fun?
like-
Too much, man. I mean, speak to the ladies with I got one for my gent. My ladies, my tips, then
hano mfethu like osesibangayeki lento kuba romantic yabo yeah ukuthi phela njengoba ngithi lento yenza ngesikhathi kulotsholwana kukhokhelwana angazi ama-oled akhuluma ini uqala nje umuntu esifazane ubone segaxa iphinifa esefakwa iduku selimboza ishiya then you know ukuthi muntu wami bamshintsha angiwazi ama-discussions akhona laphayana nani nani nanokuthi enye into-ke bafethu ya ngoba phela sibadala mfethu yabo abaningi above 18 angazi singayeki ukuthintana uyabo
Awuxolile, dog.
all right okay kuhamba kuhambe kube ngazi ukuthi into kamathintana na
Better assess.
ya ilokhu zana iphela isese ya yona leyo nto ya kuhamba kube ngathi amanyala yabo ngesikhathi ngaka throw we build up towards ya yonke into imnandi nje wele but make na thrower umuntu osifazana vana be ghost uthi amthinta kushaya isandla uthi amthinta akushaya ngendololwana esifubeni uphelele umoya you're short so lapho ngokuthi nina senivene nakukhula nabo umama abangasakwazi anisafuni ukudlala ipere iseso isiyamanyala yila nivula khona igap khona lento ekuthiwa opportunity cost bakugebhile osested lamnyango badayisa ileda jiki khona la khona isestem kanje iphusha lento yayibona ngisho because they know ukuthi lamajita akhothipa nebhene kanti bayancisheka ngoba laba sebe omama laba in kanti umjita mfethu ilento iyahlupha lento phatha gqo ifuna into lo masese yabo so please let's let loose asidlaleni let's have fun ukubona abelungu mfethu angisho mhlawumbe abelungu they all that abelungu mfethu ngisho sebegugile bona bebambane ngezandla ukuthi lento yabe mnandi mfethu romantic thina ukuthandana kwethu udlame uyabo ngathi ngahlezi ngigquzulwana uyaphetha lokukhulunywana kambi nani let's change ilingo let's have fun good people umshado into emnandi
Sure.
yeah
Shara, thank you so much for that. And I think it's so helpful.
Hey, wabaphi ithemba nabo sisi siyabona.
Uyakhohlisa sikubnyama nako.
Ukambelela ukuguzula.
Kamasipala laphana. Hey,
Kuzulana kuzulana. Tobana tshela ukuguzula phumeni bini.
now let's come back to la kumasipala mfethu. Kuyadansa laphana. Ithini into lapha because abantu abaningi banokubuka lapha behlezi bebona wena bethi lo mjita lo ungena kanjani lo mjita lapha hlezi sibona yena thina singeni kwezakalani.
Yeah, that's $1 million question, bro. Okay, eThekwini akukho lula.
Sure.
Yeah, yabo. Yeah, I wish ngathi lento singaqeda ukuxoxa mhlambe sithinte i-difference between iJozi neTheku. But eThekwini akukho lula. I hope we'll touch base on that.
Can you dive on that, bro?
Yeah. iTheku mfethu, yeah, ufanele uthi unyusa kancane i-frequency bachanya abantu abasebenza kamasipala. Do you understand? Ngeke mfethu usuke le Bhobhonono noma usuke le Qonce uze nevest lengwe la nomplaselo ufake iswenkile ukucabanga ukuthi labantu bazokufaka ekhathini. Laba mfethu nabo basebenza ngabantu bohlobo so splash mfethu look the part nuka kahle mfethu khuluma ngendlela ezokwenza lama sister akwazi ukukuthanda. Do you understand? So inkothe mfethu try your utmost best ukuthi igazi lakhe alihamba ungaye nje mfethu besifutha mfene uthi uyedrobheni and see how you work around and mfethu yabona ngisho. So Durban is not easy branch. I'm telling you bro.
Yeah.
Njoba ngisho mfethu uyachama uyahlonipha uyayithoba labantu bakhombisa ukuthi now you have like a teachable spirit and yabo like manje mfethu I now have indawo eMhlanga yabo I'm super excited ukuthi now I have a trading space like closer to the Pearls opposite Oceans Mall closer to Beverly Hills yabo umasipala ngeke kade ngibadansela babona usimo sedayisa ibuko ngibuya ngento ngithi bafethu ngicela ngipheni igumbi ngifuna ukudayisa
Sure.
ngeke mfethu ngithi ngidayisa ibuko nje bese uyongilahlela eVerelem noma ePhoenix ngifuna lapha emhlanga la kuhlala khona orish
Sure.
abantu abakhipha imali ibuko ephakethini abayikhipha la bathi uthe imalini bangishova inyuka
Sure.
so yonke lonto Bram uthi cham your way up khombisa inhlonipho intobeko and labo bakhombisayo no in so I wish ngathi ngavula iclass lokuthi idubane lingenwa kanjani
Sure.
yeah
ungayikhohlwa le part ukuthi umuntu bese deliver ispan ngoba wena nawe uyasishaya ispan sakhe it's not like uyabo
Yeah.
ufika nje uchama ungadeliver
yeah mfethu kubalekile mfethu ukudeliver mfethu ngiyabonga mfethu for touching base on that but yeah mfethu I wish ngazi mhlawumbe mfethu mina ngithi this movement is so big
Sure.
yeah isigele lesi kahle kahle
Yeah.
yabo mina kube kuyangami bafethu bengizothi yena sisayegola seThekwini ngithi
Sure.
all right bengathi mina mfethu lento ayikhule le movement yeni kayincane ngicela uNkulunkulu anisize khamambe kube khona into accreditation uyabo igcine si academy igcine isinama classes uyabo how to access iTheku how to get into iTheku the road map to iTheku abantu bayeze edrobheni uyabo but basihamba indlela yakudala uWest Street noSmith Street ngendlela abantu ababefika bezoshela bebhona nani iTheku lihanjwa ngenye indlela fanele wazi ukuthi ubusiness support ukuphi embassy building 7th floor ungasabi ukugibela ilift yabo fanele wazi ka tourism abasekho la sibe lapha lapha city center yabo and wazi indawo PRC bakuphi in visit these places ufike ubuze and ungahlangana nabo kuma events
Sure.
during the course of the week geza bangena uqonde ngobe se office uthi ngicela ukubuza ngicela ningiluleke set appointment
Abantu bayafunda ngempela mfethu lapha noma i-root class.
okay leyo ke mfethu ena it's a tricky question yabo mina mfethu ngayibambela le sport sami sokuthi earrings igazi elihambayo ngithatha nje ama crumbs yabona nani ukuze ngikwazi ukuphila nani kodwa kahle kahle iTheku indawo engekho lula ngoba ibrazo engangami yabo ngimdala for ukudansa do you understand ngimdala for ejit it's because la siphila khona yonke into siseboxini
Sure.
once bazo Purple Shepherd njengomuntu we-podcast uyogugela kwi-podcast
Badaki.
I'm telling you
umuntu eBitcoin
yeah cool I'm just making an example
Sure.
kungcono ungangene eboxini ungangene at all yeah all that Durban is something else Buffett iTheku okay let me get into the numbers it's about 2,300 square kilometers inabantu about 4 million and kune harbor fourth largest in the southern hemisphere and kahle kahle ngokwe age yethu fabe sisinezikebe yabo ngokwe age yethu fabe khona one contract yokucleaner yabo isihlabathi mangabe ukuthi umkhumbi uchithe uoyela khona ama contract antswempe enzeka ngale but sibanjwe ngokuthi wena uyadansa wena uphathe camera wena uphethe into ukuthi so we need to challenge the status quo singene kwizinto zangempela but iTheku ke lelo but yeah hlala ngaphandle kwebhokisi bra
Basi
nejozi
yeah Fethu okay I love Durban yabo but it's more of a holiday destination kuyaphunyulwa la kuzobhala u4 so yabo nje and eGoli kuyasetshenzwa bafethu yabo eGoli ukuthi umpedi umvenda and mawuzohlanganisa uzohereza you do get a space do you understand and lento ngizophinde ngithi kuyiphonsa kancane back to i-township ukuthi i-definition ye-township yaseJozi neyasedubana ayifani elokishini laseThekwini semafarm elokishini laseGoli ziyakhipha ingakho kube neSoweto bese beba noVilakazi Street ingakho uthola ukuthi la kuVilakazi Street uthola abafana ngisho bedansa lapha umfana dansa ngeAll Star iqothukile nani adansa za phephethe isigqoko uyahola ngama US dollars because eGoli bakhethe system yokuthi abelungu abeze la ngaphakathi bafake kuVilakazi sibakhuthuze bashiya imali la ngaphakathi la iThekwini sihlulekile ukuthatha abelungu sabafaka eThekwini silele that's the problem let me talk about ilokuzana now let me take this thing to another level I'm talking about Jozi and Durban eJozi kuma intersections ufica abantu umfethu abafana abancane begqoka ama overall afanayo uniform bedansa bephonsa amakesi phezulu and bahole ama intersections aseThekwini ubonana abafana bazenza idalo kuze bakwazi ukukhona esishandwa Tom you understand we need to get rid of those boys in our in those robots. Robots, according to is those signage and advertising. I did the signage and advertising. I know almost everything about the bylaws and. Ukuhlala kwamaphare emarobotini mfethu kulimaza image yethu. Yithini esifanele si-occupy ama-robots uzobona mina i-robot into engizoyenza yona emhlanga nginebhodi elingaka mina ngizodansa irobot ngoba ngizobe ngidayisa iy'buko hhayi ukuthi kuma iphara licela imali ngiyaphela lapho nanti ikhele ngasendle.
Bro, because of time, sizoqhubeka mfethu.
Siyabuya next
And but yeah, we're gonna try and make sure that next time we have Buya Raz. Thank you so much. That was so powerful. And I hope if it's gonna asikufundela mina nje wangihlela kuningi ngifundile plus and I'm honored. And sesiyayivale ma-outini ma-out asiyivaleni wozani Jack 2 years.
That's what young things to share party. Anyways, thank you. I appreciate the way you think, and I feel like there's so much more that you have to offer, especially in terms of AMA systems, the books you've read, the people you listen to. There's a lot that people didn't get. So hopefully we can continue this conversation and also connect with you on your profile, on your social media. Maybe when it comes back to you to do those shout outs so that people know how to connect with you, you know, that enjoyed the way you think. And hopefully when you come back, the gents who are not married, ubasize, you know, give them advice.
Baningi
Now,
la
Kuze.
baningi la endlini.
all right, Tanko.
Jack, just before pass on the mic,
Yeah.
khona igama engifuna ukuthi ulisho angathi ngibagqugquzele.
All right, uzoyenza njalo.
Ngibamba ngepompa stick isizulu.
No, from my side, you're quite intriguing, very interesting. Ifunde lukhulu. I think akekho uzophuma la engatholanga lutho. More especially the spiritual side of it. Lokhu ama-omens sinonkanyiso lesikhuluma but The Alchemist. Ukuthi umfana wahamba kwama-pyramids kwathiwa back to Spain baba. So when you mentioned that, it came full circle.
Favorite book yakhe.
And it's your favorite book?
It's also mine.
Mhlambe sengiyifunde ka-5, mhlambe sengiyithenge ka-10.
I did a review at primary and
Like,
college.
okay, like
Nali phambi kwakho ngicabanga.
ngibonile ngibonile ngacishihlo lalela like yabona incwadi le The Alchemist ngiyayithenga mhlawumbe sengiyithenge ka-10 mangihlangana nomuntu onenkinga engaresolveki ngeke ngimnikeze le ncwadi free of charge.
Oh, I can tell. But yeah, you're very interesting and ngikufisela konke okuhle empilweni and lokho kwenze for us today ukwenze nakwabanye.
Yes, yeah, malum same noma bhuti same. Nami ngampela I'm so inspired. I have a brand that I created on social media called it Black D. I've slept on that brand for so long. Yazi ngiphapamisile ngivukile engasinami ngizoveza ikipa namakepisi ngiyithathe to another level. Thank you so much for that. Like it was such an inspiration ukuba nawe namhlanje. Avuthi uNkulunkulu akwandisele akukhanyisele. Amen.
Thank you so kindly Mama Success.
Grootman, dankie siyabonga.
So
Chita mfethu against sibonga ngishela isibonga kodwa uthule mfethu today.
hayi uyangiprotect ubastard uyabodla ngisha nomjondolo.
Hayi.
Isithini into?
Phela lana mfethu this is the room of intellectual. Ngiyabona. Futhi isikhathi ngawakami-ke abantu abahlakaniphile vele baba yabo ikhathini.
Asala man. Siyabonga kunendlebe uzwile ongazwanga hayi. Sorry next time iGrootman sazobuya izosilungisela isingenele more. Kodwa siyabonga kakhulu. Ungayeki mfowethu bahleze besho njalo ukuthini ngale podcast ukuthi singayeki. And nawe ungayeki lokho wenzayo. And ngiyathemba ngathi ungathola mfethu more indlela zokwenza ukuthi sikwazi sishintshe abafowethu nodadewethu indlela abacabanga ngayo emalokishini yabo singabi sonke masisi-grand silibalekele lokishi sikwazi ukuthi sizolunga mesithathe nabafowethu nodadewethu sisephambili. Dankie siyabonga Nkosi.
Thank you Konse.
But Sim, I think one of the reasons why I'm tool is because I think I mentioned earlier, which I've never had any experience elokishi yabo. So the only thing I could do is just sit here and listen to you speak, because at least nginezi idea ukuthi indawo kanjani yabo. So far in life, I've experienced almost every type of living except for it. Yabo, I've traveled, I've seen hiker ngasekhaya, ngaphinde hiker lo kwesilungu yabo. Shama amabhanoyi, amahhotela nawo zonke lezinto. But one thing I've always failed to understand was umuntu waselokishini, because I complain a lot mangabe ngihlangana nabo yabo, indlela abakhuluma ngayo yabo. Abantu engihlale nabo kakhulu abaselamoto, that's why ngibala isiDan, because I can also speak isiDan through bona yabo. So but i-behavior yabo for mina ihlezi weird yabo, indlela abakhuluma ngayo. And I've always sort of like associated wonke umuntu ophuma elokishini naleyo ndlela weird, ukuthi wonke umuntu ophuma elokishini weird. One, they think they're very smart, they think so. Kumina bangiyenza leyo nto nje ukuthi hey, angimrate lo ngoba hey utshela uswazi kakhulu ngoba waselokishini yabo. So it's not in a bad way, but it's because I think labe sengiba expensive bayileyo ndlela. Ngiyaqala ukuzwa amangamnandi since ngihleli la nje, ngiyaweza manje amangamnandi. Last time ngizwa amangamnandi was through uMampintsha yabo, where you listen to someone umbone sazi lo uhamba nami yabo. So ukuhamba, I think you understand, uhamba nami ngale ndlela yabo, i-art i-wit yakhe nayo yonke into. But ngeze ukuthi in a most meaningful uyakwazi ukungifundisa through yona yabo. Sometimes wazi ukuthi nje umuntu hey mehamba namangamnandi futhi uyakushaya yabo, lo muntu ushaya ngaleyo ndlela. So I appreciate that a lot from you, and I think mhlambe ungenza isithombe esihluke kakhulu kunawo bonke abantu sengihlale nabo ngelokishi, and thank you so much for that.
Ngiyabonga bro, mhlambe for 60 seconds or so, am I allowed?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, mfethu mangabe uthi uke wahlala elokishini eLamonti, wahlala nabo nani, uma belele phezu kwesidando leya language yabo, wena ungabhala incwadi ngale language yabo, ushaya imali uphuma ingcenye. Bonke ababhala incwadi ngisho nabo laba kade bebhala The Alchemist bayogcina befuna ukubhala leyo ncwadi ngesidando ukuze bakwazi uku-accessa imarket yaseLamonti. So make money. Ngishayele around elokishini ngiyacela, noma nonke ngicane ngivakashele elokishini sizobloma. Ngeke ngize ngincharge ukungivakashela, but ngicela sizobloma sidla ama-shooters esipopole. Bosh.
No, bese ngithi ivalile uShapiro sangifaka. Simo possibilities. Ukhalile uShapiro ukuthi waye ungasiphathela ngamazaza sonke. Buka manje ngaba ziyamazaza la.
Okay.
Lokishini. So ilande lokishini.
Okay, fine. Machita, angazi mhlambe bese case mhlambe healthy competition yabo.
Yeah.
Kodwa futhi kubuye ukuthi angenze ngenye indlela. Okay, mhlawumbe ngibuza umbuzo. How do you convert to 7 into an even number?
Yazi ngayifunda kodwa
Mhlawumbe umuntu ongasho lonto ngakwazi.
Uyazini uminus 1 uyi-6 bese kube right, kube even number okanye u-add 1. Ngoba ukuconverta any other ways izolimala.
All right. Okay.
Oh yeah, times it by 2. Good.
Yeah.
You remove the S.
Thank you. All right. Ubuzo yithola mfethu, but unfortunately ngiphethe 2. Ngicela mhlawumbe siniza ama-10. Oh sure. Ngenkulu inhlonipho.
Bueno. Ishilo lapjet kuyafana.
Yeah.
Fethu. Ngene ngivele ngayapi mate.
Ngizoyithenga bethu, awungiphathele yami. Ngizoyithenga ngidingi.
Manje guys.
Baba besamcela ama-records, amele athenga ama-weave nama-records akakame ngey'buko. Sizozithenga. Asiyibone phela iy'buko Shapiro.
Linganisa izibuko shephathi yantini mfethu. Linganisa.
Akusinuka la
Okay.
Yamala bro.
Thank you so much,
application.
Much love to
It's a spong and Betsu. Your last words when it all said and done.
Bonani chef.
Funa bakukhumbula bathi we'll see more. What is it that you want to see more, especially go Dak?
Yeah, but I want to see more people be thrive, not be survivor. We need to thrive. I want to see more people coming together. Let's unite more and create magic. Yabo, we are capable, we are enough and more. Singayibukeli phansi, like it's grand, but I promise you, let's fix that and take over.
Thank
Thank you.
See more.
Yeah.
Yes, over. Bongi.
Awuphethethe sana. Akafuna olumshado.
Sona bro,